In this video, I will show you how to log in Banco Santander Portugal online. So go to Google and search for Banco Santander Portugal online. Click the first result here. After that, you will see this page. All you have to do, go to login page, the section, and then click login for particular account if you have a personal account. And then from the section, write your name, the utilizator, and then código access. If I translate this on English, this is guys for a name or username. For example, this is my username, and then right here just type your password. So this is the first point. If you want to log in on the app, guys, just go to Banco Santander Portugal app, download this app. You can download through Google Play or App Store. Just click this one, Google Play, and then you will see this app from this Google Play. Click just here, and then you can download the app. If I go back here, click on this app, download this app, click install, and then log in with your ID and password. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give me a like and give me share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.